It was an explosive night in the skies over Orland last night. Police found themselves responding to numerous calls of someone shooting off fireworks.
Not the 4th of July, unless they were celebrating that 12-12-12 thing, or at least one of those explosions cracked a window. KRCR News Channel 7's Tyler May spoke with a man who heard a huge boom last night right next to his home. He's live in Chico now. Tyler.
Good evening, Mike and Jennifer. The Orland Police Department had their hands full last night with all of these fireworks going off. Now, I also want to point out that it is illegal to have fireworks in Glenn County. Now, according to the Orland police logs, they were called out 4 different times to incidents involving fireworks. 2 of the cases were on Rennet Way near Almond and Tanner Way. Now, around 8 o'clock last night, Orland police say a number of people called them saying they heard shots being fired in the area. Officers looked around the neighborhood and found a used firework on the street. 2.5 hours later, police arrested 18-year-old Fernando Infante for having illegal fireworks in his truck on 4th Street. Around 11:15 last night, officers responded to this home on A Street. Tim Crowd lives there, and he heard a loud blast right outside of his window.
It was so bad that it rocked the whole house. And my neighbor across the street came out and come running over here. I said, all I seen was a big bright light.
That's crazy.
Yeah, crazy.
The blast cracked in Crowell's bedroom back window. As for Infante, he was released and cited. Now, I just got off the phone with the Orland Police Department, and they say that there is no connection with any type of religious celebration last night or the fact it was 12-12-12 last night. But they are asking for your help. If anyone out there knows any additional information regarding any of these incidents, you're asked to give the Orland Police Department a call. Reporting live in Chico tonight, Tyler May, KRCR News Channel.